No,
well, I would just start talking.
No, but somebody starts
that-
asking you a question.
Hi everyone, it's another day of vlogging. We are moving to our favorite hotel in the entire world and we have a lot of stuff.
Hello, welcome to our room.
Welcome to Architectural Digest.
Yes. So starting off here, we have the grand entryway. Moving into this area, starting off right here, we actually have a cute little mini bar situation. And if you open this up down here, you will see that there's quite a little selection in here. It's got a lazy Susan. Moving this way, we have the living room dining area. I will let Kevin give a tour of his favorite part of the hotel.
This is a not so mini bar.
Marina Bay Sands actually told us that they custom designed with their in-house team. It has a lot of Japanese influence, so you'll see that there is, for example, a crane down here and cherry blossoms. Kevin and I both grew up in Japan, so we love that.
And it matches the theme of Marina Bay Sands, the black and gold. And this is our key card.
Very aesthetic.
Let's see what other goodies they have here. Everything else. Oh, there's more tea here. There's probably a very large TV here.
This couch is quite comfy, if I'm being honest.
And then we have the phone here so we can call room service whenever.
We have a couple of lounge chairs over here if we want to have guests, but we have no friends, so, you know, just be it for us.
Beautiful view of the bay or the ocean. Welcome to the bedroom.
That's your tour? Okay.
That's it.
So in the bedroom here, we do have a king-size bed. Hopefully we'll be getting some sleep in Singapore this time, because last time we were in Singapore, we literally got like no sleep.
But
Team no sleep.
Team no sleep, but nobody in Singapore sleeps anyway.
Yeah, so we're fitting in with the crowd, clearly. On this side, again, we have a massive TV.
Knock knock.
I feel like I've been like spirited away or something, you know? So this way we have the bathroom, and it's very beautiful. We've got some double sinks on either side.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, that's the faucet. This is my favorite room in the entire place. We have a full-size vanity with ample lighting. These rooms actually also come with a Dyson hairdryer, which is pretty epic, as well as, of course, the Bulgari amenities. There's a little sink right here, so once you're done with your makeup, you can wash up. I am here with Steph, who is our lovely editor. Today we're doing a professional taste test session.
You could say professional.
Professional
Okay.
food
Amateur.
critic.
Yeah.
Every time we come to Singapore, we like
All of a sudden,
elevate-
I'm like a food blogger,
Yeah.
you know?
I'll leave the professional critic to
Right,
you.
right,
I'm
right.
just gonna
So number one, we're gonna start off with this fine dining mochi.
Please, do the honors.
Go ahead. The surgeon can do the
Oh
cutting.
yeah.
Should I cut it into thirds?
Yeah, just cut it into
Okay,
thirds.
even.
See, look how you just took it with your finger.
Yeah, it's fine. I'm an animal.
She's a professional.
I'm a professional
Yeah.
critic.
Yeah.
It just tastes like the supermarket.
It just tastes like the mochi that's
Okay.
very good.
Yeah, we'll move on to the next. Okay, this is really good. Who wants Steph to try the Wakujin Nama Chocolate? And there's two flavors that we have, which are
The
original.
original Nama chocolate, and then I think it's the liqueur alcohol.
I don't even know what that means, but
Alright,
alcohol.
alright.
So what would you rate it out of 1 to 5? 1 to 5.
I'll rate it a solid 4.
Oh, she's a very harsh
So
critic.
harsh.
What? That's a solid 4.
That would be like 5 out of 5 for sure. It's so
Oh.
good. Okay, try this one.
For this.
You like this
Yeah, it's
one?
more interesting.
So this one, 4.1.
4.05. No, I'm kidding. Kidding. No, 4.5. 4.5.
Oh.
Is that acceptable? Is that acceptable?
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah, okay.
professional.
4.5 is good.
Okay,
it's
thank
good.
you.
We're getting ready to do our injury. I'm a little nervous because
We were here like 45 minutes early.
I was under the impression it was like almost 4, but there are people queuing outside, and I don't want to disappoint anyone. So I think we'll just
Start
open.
early.
Yeah, we'll start
But
early.
they closed the cafe for us.
There's a little sign that says private event, and it's hot outside, so there's seating for people who can wait inside. You're not nervous?
Do you want to make a speech?
No, I don't want to give a speech. What will we talk about? I
I'll sit over here. You can sit there and let's see who comes to me and who
Oh,
comes
okay,
to you.
okay. It's a competition
We have a little
now.
competition. Who do
Okay.
you like better?
Ready? Everyone's like so civil and everyone's like so well mannered. Like
Everyone's like sitting down right over there.
This just would never work in America.
Yeah.
Like everybody would be like,
Hi, Miki. Hi, Kevin.
it was my first time coming ever. I had a great time up until like 4 a.m.
Hi.
Look at all these sweet things you guys got us in Singapore. I cannot wait to finish reading all of the cards. We also have lots of local snacks to try and goodies to take home. And look at these crochet flowers. I will be taking them home and putting them on display. I just want to say how incredibly grateful we are to everybody who showed up today. It was our first time hosting a meet and greet, and it was like a lot. I'm really thankful for every single person who showed up. I don't even know how many people we talked to, but it must have been hundreds of you guys, and it felt really special. And no better place to do it in Singapore, where everything's like relatively close to each other, and it's also so safe, which is incredible. Like, I think Kevin was a little stressed because it was a little bit rushed. We would have loved to have spent more time with each and every single one of you, but it felt really special getting to see viewers in real life and hearing your stories about which pieces of our content had an impact on you, or you know, how you made decisions about. Like, I feel like it was the first time I saw in a physical place like people who supported us. Does that make sense? So it felt really, really cool. This day is gonna be going down in history for the rest of my life. So if you came, thank you for coming and thank you for supporting us, and I hope that we can still do this in the future when we are in Singapore. It was so much fun. So it's so funny because people always ask us like, oh, do you guys, so tired. We get both sides of the spectrum where people are like, you guys are too fake and like, you know, there's no way you guys don't, you know, have arguments or whatever. And then on the other spectrum, we have people who are like,
it seems like they like are not compatible, they like fight all the time.
Like, not really stressed, but we're like a little stressed because we want to provide the best experience for the meet and greet. So
also,
I'm on my best
we were in a
behavior.
time crunch afterwards.
And Kevin, like, I'm much more used to things like this happening, and Kevin obviously is not. And then, well, so we were just kind of rubbing each other the wrong way, like, the entire time with, like, tiny things, because the thing is that we both have different details that we, like,
you're not standing in the right
obsess
spot,
over.
whatever, and I was like, this is not efficient, like,
Yeah.
you should stop talking to these folks. Why are you spending so much time talking to this person?
I just know stressing.
Yeah, what the
when
parts
somebody
when,
like asks me a question, I need to answer it. But,
oh my gosh.
But yeah,
She-
no.
Well,
but
I
then,
would
but
just
then when
start
somebody,
talking.
no, but somebody
then
starts
I did-
asking you a question, then you go into a long-winded thing.
Can I have some
Why?
It smells so good. It smells like
But anyway, we were just trying to like get through everybody, and because I wanted to make sure that everybody got to say.
Strong.
Everybody got to say hello.
Hello. Hello. And then she's like, I'm hungry, and so she takes her.
No. So the last straw was that after rubbing each other wrong all day, I was starving after this meet and greet, and the cafe had so kindly prepared some food for us, and I was so hungry. All I did was I saw fries and I put it in my mouth.
And I'm like,
I had already eaten the fry. Like, it's not like I could.
No, she was eating the second fry. I'm like, spit it out. Go wash your hands.
But I had already eaten it. Like, it's not like I can regurgitate the thing that I ate. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So obviously I like wash my hands after, and now I'm paranoid that I have a sore throat and that I'm gonna die from eating a French fry.
Talking to 300
I am
people.
so paranoid that I'm gonna die from eating this French fry after shaking like 300 hands. So I just want you to know that real people fight and real people bigger, and things happen, and that's normal. It would be so abnormal if we just like, no, we this couple like, yeah, we never fight. Like, do you even like each other if you don't
Fight.
Kinako mochi! Oh my god! Zoom in on the details. We have Totoro, which is my favorite, and then Spirited Away, of course, which is also my favorite. And then, you know, the cute little details. Hello, we are currently at TWG. This is one of my favorite spots in Singapore. As you can see, we have this entire place booked out. I'm kidding, it's just opening. So I'm very excited to be back. These scones, the tea, the cheesecake, everything was like so special that I remember the flavors so specifically. I'm so excited to be back.
This is one of my favorite places.
Your skin looks so nice. Look at these delicious pastries. We have a Matcha cheesecake, very obviously just standing out to me right here. I ordered one of these, so I can't wait to eat one. But all of their pastries, nothing tastes bad. Everything's amazing. I have been waiting to eat this scone for 6 months. It's one of my absolute favorites. This jelly they have is made out of black tea, and it's like a special.
So good so far. Everything okay?
Yes, amazing. Thank you very much.
I'll just get up here a minute. I'll just bring these down.
Oh, sure. Thank you. Okay, so it's currently dumping rain outside, and we need to get across to the other side. So we just loaned 2 umbrellas.
What are we doing now?
Needed 1 piece and 2 umbrellas.
Just finished my ab workout in the clinic and very sore.
There'll be a flash photo.
It's like a VR camera basically. It's taking multiple.
And then just look straight again. Okay, take a photo.
This is so cool. Can I have a copy of this?
Yeah, sure.
I need my pores shrunken so badly.
Your ears are so cute.